Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch RPS touchscreen special for Kia Sportage 2010 to 2015 years. Okay, this run Android 9 Pie system. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition. This special head unit for Kia Sportage. Okay, let me show the honey seat first. You can check this special harness for Kia Sportage. This connector connects our back head unit. Okay. This power and speaker special for Kia Sportage plug and play. You can check Hyundai Kia power cable. Okay, let me see, let me check. You can check this connector, and this is for backup camera. This camera input, original backup camera. This is also for the backup camera. Original backup camera, it can be work. Okay, there are two camera input, camera in, RCA type. Okay, there is USB. Okay, this is one special harness for Kia Sportage. And it comes with the installation part. You can check this part. This part left and right. Okay. You can check. And this screw. This is GPS antenna, remote controller, external microphone, and camera input. This is for aftermarket camera input, RCA type. This connector connects our back head unit. Okay. This is AUX cable, and this camera input, or this video input. Sorry, video input. It's AUX input left and right. This is audio cable, subwoofer. It's video out 1 and video out 2. It's the AUX out, rear out left and right. This is front and left, front, left and rear. Okay, this is audio cable. Let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check this is head unit, front, and the side. Back, and this side. Okay, let me show the back. You can check this long cable for 2 USB cable, 1, 2, and microphone, external microphone. Okay, you can check this radio antenna, radio port, Wi-Fi antenna, these connectors, this power, fuse, GPS antenna port. Okay. This 10.1-inch IPS touch screen. Let me turn on the head unit with power 12 voltage. Voltage. Okay, screen started. Okay, you can check this special header unit for Kia Sportage. Okay, let me show it. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, their taskbar you can adjust the brightness. Okay, very fast response. Home, their date and time, it will automatically use the GPS antenna and Usenet work, it will update. It's radio. You can get the radio stations, and it's built in Bluetooth, music. Let me check the settings. It's built in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi. Also support hotspot from your phone. Okay. Let me check the BAT machine. You can check MCU version, CPU, and memory size. Is CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB. Is PX5 rack chip, Android version, Android 9 Pi system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay, let me check the car settings. Personal settings. You can autoplay music from SD card or USB. It's AC. You can set the time. LED settings, you can choose the gray, change the gray, and blue, orange, any color you can adjust this panel. Choose the red. Drum settings, you can, this is reserving volume, you can turn on. Watch video, and for rear view, back camera, for ruler, tracking display, X mirroring, steering wheel controls, you can learn in the steering wheel, factory steering wheel button on this panel. Okay. Upgrade and restore, you can restore your system back. Okay, let me check the system. Language, all languages are here. You can add your country languages. Okay, let me back home. It supports DAB. This is DAB. If you connect the no DAB device found, you can check. If you connect the DAB antenna, you can search the radio stations it will display. It's DAB and built-in Google Maps. You can download the apps from Play Store. This Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You can just connect the USB cable that work with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto from your phone. Okay, let me back. And it's an easy connection for mirroring from your phone. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.